What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. We got a lot of stuff to do today. If you guys watched the previous video, you guys would have seen that we painted the well-neglected FRS this beautiful red. Come on, look at that. Here, let me show you guys some glass real quick. Y'all see that reflection though? Ooh, and the car's dirty and it's still glassy. So if you haven't watched that video yet, go back, watch it. I promise you guys it will be worth it. It's super satisfying, right Harley? Yeah, the paint footage was so freaking satisfying. I had to rewatch it like 5 times when I was editing. But
whoever recorded that was
yeah, shout out Harley for that, baby. But today is gonna be the day where we get to see the FRS all back together in one piece. So we're gonna go ahead and start assembling the car today. That means we're gonna put on the entire kit, the headlights, the taillights, everything back on this car, starting with what Harley is doing right now, which is slapping on the glass. So we gotta put back on the front windshield, the rear windshield, the quarter panel glass and everything before we can go ahead and install any body components. Show them your hands. God damn, my boy, what happened?
My primer exploded. I didn't even get 5 minutes into work.
This is why we can't have nice things, bro.
Bro, good thing I was facing the wall and not the car.
Bro, if you got this on the car, yeah, I might have to kill you, bro. Peep this fresh new seal he's slapping on. Now we don't have to deal with the painted blue seal. Disgusting. Bro, guys, this is why you take off your glass before painting it. The glass itself is freaking blue, bro, from the last paint job. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. We got all of the blue off, and now Harley's using the titty pumpers to suction cup the glass, and we're about to slap this on, baby. Peep the new seals though, baby. Those aren't painted this time. Look at that. Oh. Would you look at that front windshield getting fresh trim too? Damn, this whole car getting spoiled, bro. All right, boys, we got the front windshield on, brand new. Look at that. Still got the tags. We got to take that off soon. And we got the rear quarter panel glasses all in, and the rear windshield. So now Harley's job is now done. Thank you, Harley. But now you got to get the fuck out, bro.
You guys want to see a dead body?
Hey, bro, real talk though. Shout out to Harley. If you guys need any glass, hit him up.
Please don't hit me up. I'm so tired of this shit, bro.
He hates his job.
Bro, I only have this job so I can help Derek out.
Hey, bro. So you guys know what that means. Help blow up my channel so I can have him quit his job and come hang out with me and fucking do fun shit on cars all day long. So
dumb shit on cars all day long. Yeah.
Alright guys, next thing we're gonna do before we can assemble this car is we gotta swap out the wheel studs because your boy is kind of stupid and stancy, so I ended up cutting my wheel studs to fit my spacers. But I don't have time to do that because I gotta do the rest of the stuff on this car. So the homie Jack is helping me out right here.
Jack's Mobile Mechanics.
Yes sir, if you guys need any mechanic work in the Seattle, Tacoma, any area within around here, hit him up. I'll put his Instagram right here. Dang, look at that. I've never seen golden wheel studs before, bro. All the wheel studs are officially on. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to assemble the whole car, put together the body kit and everything. I'm gonna start out with the front end because I really want to see what the fenders look like on this car. So let's go ahead, go grab the fenders and slap them on. my god. The fenders alone, oh my god, makes such a big difference. Bro, are you guys seeing this right now? Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. I'm so excited to see what this car is gonna look like all put together. All right, next up we have the headlights, and then we can slap on the main attraction, which is the front bumper. Headlights are officially on. Now it's time to slap on the Varis carbon fiber front lip to the freaking front bumper. Dude, this is absolutely freaking insane, bro. Oh my god, this looks good. And the side extension pieces aren't even on. Whew. Nick, what you think? You liking it so far? Yes, sir. All right, now that we got the front bumper on, we're gonna go ahead and slap on the extension piece that goes right here. Damn, well that's an L. I put this on and then I try to pull it off to reset it, and look. Oh my god, the 3M was so strong it fucking cracked it. Fuck! Oh, this is such an L, but I just went ahead and super glued the panels together. Look at this. So it doesn't split anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead, sand this down another day and repaint it before Weekfest. So today we're gonna have to make do without that piece. We'll just move on and not let that bother us. So we're gonna continue this assembly process. So next up we have the quarter panel over fenders and the side skirt. So let's go ahead and slap that on. But first, let's just appreciate this front bumper real quick. Oh, I can't get over this front bumper, man. I got some good news and some bad news for y'all. So I got the gas cap on, and check it out. Varis gives you this little hinge thing, so you can have a gas cap that closes and opens. But while installing that, my dumbass accidentally drilled all the way through. So now I got a hole right there, which means I gotta repaint the gas cap unless I just put a sticker over there. So I don't know what to do. But for now, I think I'm gonna go ahead, slap this on. Alright guys, everything is bolted in, and look at how good that looks. Oh my god, Nick, what you think? You liking it? You liking the hidden hardware? Yeah. Dude, that looks so killer. Truck is still hella messy.
Oh my god.
I went ahead and slapped on the side skirts and everything, so now it's finally time to slap on the goodies. Check it out, guys. I got the side skirts on and everything, so next up we can finally slap on the carbon goodies. We got side skirts, we got side panel extension thingies, I don't know what you call these, but we can now slap them on. They've been chilling outside for the longest time. Well neglected. Alright, we got both side skirts officially on. And it looks so freaking good, bro. The carbon, sheesh, flows right into the vents. This is A1 steak sauce right here. So now the only body panel we have to install left is the rear bumper. So I'm gonna bring out the rear bumper and slap on the extension pieces and everything, and then we can put on the taillights. Finally assembled the entire rear end. We got the taillights in, the rear bumper in, the bumper extension, and the little carbon accent right there. So the only thing left to do, Nick, you know what that is?
Hold on.
Take a look and you tell me. You know what the last thing we have to install is?
This thing or whatever.
Oh, that too. But unfortunately, I didn't paint that yet, so we can't install that in this video. I gotta paint it later on. It's this right here. I'll give you a hint. It goes right here.
The wing.
Yes, sir. We got a duck bill for the FRS. So Nick over here is gonna help me install that.
Whoa, my God. This looks so impressive.
Is it? Yes, sir. Perfect. Thanks, Nick.
Please.
Spoiler is officially on and ready to go, so that means that we pretty much wrapped up installing everything on the exterior. So you guys know what time it is. It's time for me to show you guys how the car looks like with the entire kit on, all painted and ready to go. Cue the cinematic. I cannot get over how good this kit looks. It just looks so amazing with all the vents, lines, edges. Everything about this kit is perfect. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super late at night. I gotta go to sleep. Tomorrow we're slapping the new wheel setup on the FRS. We're gonna dial in fitment and everything. So I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't yet. Peace out.